Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing work permits. Specifically, we're going to be discussing work permits in the context of a corporation that has multiple offices here in Thailand. This is not an infrequent thing. You'll often see, especially larger concerns, having a head office and then one or more branch offices throughout the kingdom. That being said, generally speaking, the individual who has a work permit within a company such as that, who's going to be working at multiple offices throughout the kingdom, needs to go ahead and have those offices listed in their work permit. There is something of a gray area with respect to the exact geographic scope of a work permit, specifically where exactly one is able to work on a Thai work permit. Is it only at the specific office address listed on the permit itself? Is it the province as a whole, so long as one is operating within the scope of their duties under the work permit that they're operating under? So they're actually working for their employer. They're not undertaking separate employment. But it's fairly clear that it's a good, well, it's not fairly clear. It's clear that it's a good idea that to go ahead and list the other offices that an individual is going to be working at here in the kingdom on their work permit, so as to be in full compliance. And frankly, if one is inspected by immigration or labor department for their activities at a given location, and they say, hey, here's my work permit, and they say, well, this location is not registered, is not noted on your work permit. Why are you here? Well, I work for the head office. Well, strictly speaking, you don't work in this office. So it can be an issue. I don't think it's necessarily something that's going to just cause a great deal of consternation on a particularly frequent basis. But that being said, it can occur. It is an issue, and there is a way to be in compliance, which is for the multiple branch offices of a company, if one wishes to work in those offices, one needs to go ahead and just have those offices listed in the pages of their work permit.